During last warning, not forgive your decide. My sunshine quality details on order it depend drop of joy and the pit of my life. I would not have been able to anything without you. When I wake up, the first persons I think about is you. You are so precious to me. A particular and adoring you, dear sweetheart. You are the light in the dark, the sun after the rain, the shelter in the storms, the heaven or I continuously I feel protected. You are my only love, you are my everything. My heart was torn to pieces, but you came to else it once and filled them with the purest and most sincere affection that has even existed. Thank you, sweetheart. I will be caring, adoring, and loving forever during the easy time and the challenge we will face. We are in this together, and you are my partner for life. I wanted to say thank you for everything you done for me. Thank you for loving, expecting unconditionally, and providing undivided and love attention. You been there for me through evening thing. Thank you for helping me grow on the mind I have become. You know what the say about it, love is to ruler custers red, but with you every twice and turn feel like a breeze because I know I haven't right by my side, holding my hand through it all. You brought so much joy and meaning it my life, and I am beyond lucky to call you mine. I adore you are more than words can express, and adore. Promise, Krish, you are every single day my deserve Ramzan. Pride will soon be our, and it's time to open a new chapter for future. It's time to forget about pista, take a step for new future wife. I need to so questions. Are you ready to be with me? I want to kiss you all every day. I want to hold your hand when we walking. I looking into your eyes as you look into mine. I smile every time I see you smile. My God, I am in love with you. Each moment spent with mine's everything. Me, I hit one I am away from. I love you feeling I get when very arms around me like and you smile. I feel closer being in your arms. Shooting together, watching the world go by, just beautiful to me. Could do it forever. I just wanted to be with you. I love you. I always when this air white. I will still love you when you the soften of earth is replaced by delicate softness of age. I will be still wanting to touch your skin when your face is full of line of every smile you have, every smile of every surprise I have seen flash through your love eyes when you every tear you have, every creed has left his mark upon your face. I will treasure you all the more because I was there to see you, and I will be share with love you, and I will be united the last breath leaves your body or mine. Love you forever. Every moment that I spend with you is the best moment of my life. I crash every moment of our relationship and always will be cause you mind the intriguing word to me. I love you really don't. My birds choose to fly, flowers choose to blame. I do not know why is the sun rays from the east and sets in the west, but I really know why I love you, and this that is forever. You make me feel loved, wanted to adored and respected. Dear friend is followers, I hope this message find you will. I wanted to bring to your attention and urgent matter. It has come to my attention that imposters are trying to deceiving you through various social media platform pretending to be. I urge you to remain cute and assessing and vigilant when agreeing with anyone. Claim to me. Ensure you are safe. Please direct message me direct for an encouraging or concerning as token of appreciations for your. I am pleased to offer VIP golden card. Stay safe. Thank you for your understanding. I miss everything about you. When we are not together, I crash all the intimidating moment we are had and looking forward to experience the next take all the love song in the world and there are still so are not enough words to experience it. Just much you mind to me. My love for you will last beyond the life of star planet even every